Hello once again, Dave Knight here at Knight Capital Management. Thanks for watching. You're watching the Tiger Trading Channel. We're going over the 10 most frequently asked questions that I have received since I've been a trader and obviously since I've been kind of doing this kind of environment here. Number three is why trade futures? I mean, there's all kinds of things that you can trade out there. Why trade futures? You got the stocks, you have bonds, mutual funds, forex market, and then obviously you got futures market. Let's talk about stocks. Stocks is a great place, I think, for long-term investing. Maybe you have stock in your own company. Maybe you have stock through your own 401k. Maybe it's part of your profit-sharing plan or however you have it right now. I'm not knocking long-term investing in a company. I believe that there is validity in that particular environment, but we're talking about day trading right now. Day trading in stocks, you have to have an account size of 25,000 or higher. In futures, at least with Daniel's Trading Company I am with here, and kind of sponsors our trading room, let me rephrase that. Your account minimum can be as low, open up a futures account at $3,000. Now, for instance, let's say that you see something out there that you really like as far as some kind of trading system. That trading system might cost you $3,000 to $5,000 to put it onto. And we're just talking about, this is something I like the Forex bread butter, get the whole thing, whatever system that does everything for you, blah, blah, blah. Then you got the computer to buy and all the other odds and ends that you have to do it for. So maybe you only have $10,000 to invest, but if you're already spending $6,000 towards your investment and your computer and the system that you're going to use and so forth, that really translates to only have $4,000 left to trade with. So in the Forex market, obviously that can work. In the stock market, you're knocked out of that market. You don't have enough money to trade there. 25,000 and plus the leverage that goes into the stock market. Your leverage and for your dollar cost is a lot better in the futures market. One of the neat things about trading futures is there's no employees unless you want to make a business out of it and hire somebody. But you're working out of you can work out of your own house, work out of your own home. I have my own office inside my house. I put a door up, lock the door, so if I feel like I need to have that privacy while I'm trading, I have the ability to shut the door and lock it and keep people out if need be. It's not the way I like to trade, but the point is that when I didn't have the door up, then people didn't really view it as this is a real-time job that I'm working with here. So along those lines, when you're trading futures, you got to think of this in kind of, this is a business, this isn't a hobby, and the quicker you can get out of the I'm just doing this for fun, and you're getting into, I think of along the lines of you want to make this a business. You want to make it something that's going to earn a living for you, or maybe that's what you're looking to do in the future. There's all kinds of ways that you can approach the futures market, but leverage is probably the most important component of the futures market compared to most everything out there. You know, Forex has its you can trade mini lots and so forth, and we won't even get into that. But let's talk about commission costs as it relates to Forex market. And you're just trading one unit, a full unit in the Forex, and you have a 2 pip spread. What that means and translates, and although they'll advertise there's no commission costs and so forth, in actuality, it costs you 2 pips to get into that trade. So you're giving up $20 to get into a trade, and you're also giving up $20 or 2 pips to get out of the trade. So in actuality, your opportunity cost or your commission cost, as I would like to call it, is $40. That's 20 each side. With our futures market, you can hit commission costs really low. Our lowest commission cost, you're either going to, in my room, you're either going to pay $5 round turn all in. If you go through our recommended broker, you're going to pay $6 round turn all in. That means in one case, 2.5 a side, 2.5 plus 2.5 is $5. $5 or $40. You know, so when it comes to leverage, when it comes to commission costs, when it comes to all the components that is involved, another thing that I want to talk about quickly and then end on this is you have 10,000 stocks and countless mutual funds. There's about 30 futures markets that are tradable, and then you can really break that down to about 10 or 11 or so that is good to be able to trade. So you have very limited markets, but you have lots of opportunity. You got lots of leverage in this market. It's a great business to be a part of. I look forward to talking to you more on the next, the most frequently asked question. This is Dave Knight here at Knight Capital Management. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you soon. Bye now.